Hi folks, what's up? Right now, I'm gonna talk about a clip from Sir Ryan Evangelista. The video talks about tech, new ideas, or clever setups changing how we live, thanks in big part to computer engineers. Singapore shows what's possible when building smarter systems blends with bold planning. It boosts daily living, grows eco-friendly urban spaces, while getting folks ready for tomorrow's work demands. This piece, I'll tackle five main questions, touching computer engineers' path ahead, what I aim to achieve there, along with lessons learned, what about where work is headed. So let's start. So what's this really all about, or what is what is the topic of the video? So the video's core idea: engineers tomorrow, especially how computer engineers, push new ideas forward, using creativity instead of just tech talk. It highlights their role shaping what comes next, swapping jargon for real world impact, showing change through action rather than hype. Computer engineering isn't only about making machines or coding anymore. It, it is a key to creating or smart urban areas, online networks, self-running tech, and also thinking systems. Take Singapore for example. Tech's woven right into daily routines, like getting around town or how cities are built, staying connected, plus handling city services. Most of these setups depend on computer engineers. They're the ones building them, keeping things running, and also coming up with new fixes when problems pop up. The clip shows innovation isn't just fancy tech. Rather, it's fixing everyday issues instead of focusing on gadgets alone. Computer engineers boosts how things work, care for the planet, and lift living standards by mixing physical devices with programs and smart data use. The whole thing shows why computer engineers matter when it comes to shaping tomorrow's world using fresh ideas, clever tech, or solid groundwork. So for the next question, what is the future of computer engineers in the global stage? Worldwide, computer engineers are set for a bright tomorrow, hugely needed, widely sought after. Just like the clip shows, places such as Singapore pour money into tech just to keep up worldwide. Because of that, there's a real need for sharp computer engineers who handle tasks like artificial intelligence, smart cities and IoT, cybersecurity, data systems, and automation and especially robotics. The clip proves tech experts aren't stuck in just one field anymore. Instead, they're showing up in medicine, transit systems, schools, public offices, and also helping protect the nature. Globally, computer engineers need to think up new ideas, fix issues, or take charge. Since tech changes fast, they've got to keep learning fresh skills. People who just adjust well while picking up new tools can find chances nearby. Computer engineers everywhere face a world that's wide reaching, tough to break into, or fueled by new ideas. Down to the third topic, the question is, how do you see yourself in the field of computer engineering? Well, once I saw the video, it hit me. I'm aiming to be a tech-savvy builder shaping what's next, pushing tools forward while helping communities grow. The clip made me wonder, what if I didn't just work for a paycheck, yet aim to use what I'm good at to actually make a difference? I picture myself building tools that save time while helping out people, maybe via robots, clever gadgets, or handy apps, just like what's happening in Singapore. I'd love joining efforts where tech meets everyday problems. The clip showed me how crucial it is to stay flexible, creative, yet accountable in engineering. I picture growing steadily, picking up new skills while moves forward. What area do I want to pursue in the future? So ask myself, in years ahead, I'm simply aiming for a path in computing that deals with machines doing tasks on their own, systems that learn or gadgets that act clever. So maybe robotics, thinking software or devices reacting to surroundings. This covers areas like embedded systems with IoT or combining software and especially hardware. The video revealed how clever tech fits into today's urban life, sparking my drive toward a path rooted in fresh ideas and lasting impact. My goal is to help build setups that work well, hold up over time, while actually helping people out. I'm keen on tackling tasks that actually help people, particularly ones boosting everyday routines, think better, efficiently, or in smoother city services, while making a real difference where it counts. Pursuing the field of robotics is somewhat hard for me, since it requires both hardware and software majorities. Well, for me, that kind of statement is like a challenge, bringing self up to the extent that I wanted this and I wanted to do it, not only for myself, but for the future I make and what I can contribute to the world. So, what are my key takeaways on the future of jobs? Well, as discussed in the video from Sir Ryan, one thing I got from the video that is, tech's gonna steer where work goes next. Innovation plays a big part too. Roles focused on repetitive work might shrink, whereas positions needing innovation or tech work could expand. Instead of manual routines, demand may rise for troubleshooting talent. Work involving fixed steps faces decline. Meanwhile, roles with dynamic challenges gain ground. Repetitive duties lose value over time. On the flip side, creative thinking becomes more prized. The clip shows how keeping on learning matters a lot, as it was explained. Folks in tech can't just stick to old tricks. They've got to grow with the times. Know-how isn't the whole picture. Being able to work well with others, roll with changes, or communicate clearly counts too. Technology doesn't wipe out jobs, just changes what they look like. Well, computer engineers, they'll help spark fresh fields and paths to work. To sum up my reflection, the clip from Sir Ryan Evangelista simply shows how vital these experts are, shaping what's next in tech, work, and everyday life. It proves how fresh ideas, solid preparation, alongside with a steady skill growth, can help engineers push change across nations or even worldwide. A future in computers? This clip pushed me to dream bigger, look beyond borders, or act smart with a future tech. Sure, what's ahead isn't easy, which is very true. Yet, it holds chances for anyone ready to jump in. That's all, thank you.